Introducing the future of automotive lighting, Multicolor Morimoto XB Headlights. Are you ready to take your vehicle's style and performance to the next level? Look no further. These custom Morimoto headlights aren't just lights. They're a statement with their unparalleled design, advanced technology, and breathtaking multicolor illumination. Your vehicle will stand out in any crowd. Built with precision and quality in mind, these headlights are engineered to last, providing you with years of reliable performance in any driving condition. And the best part, installing these custom Morimoto headlights is a breeze, thanks to their easy-to-follow instructions and plug-and-play design. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the mesmerizing multicolor feature. Customize your headlights with a spectrum of colors to match your mood or your vehicle's aesthetic. Our multicolor-built Morimoto XB headlights aren't just an upgrade. They're an experience, an expression of your style and personality. Ready to light up the night with our multicolor-built Morimoto XB headlights? Click the link in the description to learn more and place your order.